कंफ्यूज हो जाते हो या फिर you just want to avoid the beginner makeup mistakes which I made, then you are at the right place. Hi guys, this is Vishakha and I am not a makeup artist. I am just a regular girly who has picked up some game changing tips which had helped me a lot over the period of time. Like I have learned them over the period of time. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys some beginner friendly makeup tips like which is going to work in this 2025 era where everybody is talking about clean girl makeup look, subtle glam or skin first makeup. So let's just begin with it. Tip 1, skin is the foundation. 2025 is all about healthy looking skin, glowing skin, and even the brands are focusing more towards skin like formulas. So the truth here is skincare is the first step of makeup. Cleanse your face, moisturize your face, wear a nice SPF, and then after that you can go with the primer and फ्लॉलेस बेस के लिए और स्किन लाइक फील चाहिए तो गो फॉर अ स्किन टिंट या फिर लो कवरेज वाला फाउंडेशन होता है, यू कैन गो फॉर दैट. एंड अ क्विक टिप, अच्छे से स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहेगी, इट विल मेक योर बेस फ्लॉलेस. टिप 2, लेस प्रोडक्ट्स एंड मोर टेक्निक. इट इज नॉट अबाउट हाउ मच प्रोडक्ट यू आर अप्लाइंग ऑन योर फेस, it is about how you are applying it. Basically you have to strategically plan it ki where to do the correct placement without using much product. You can always build it up, like go slow, aap dheere dheere start karo. Like what I do is I take little products and I try to build it up with that, and later on मुझे और ज़रूरत लगती है then I just reapply it. I apply foundation mostly on the center of the face and blends outwards, so उससे ज़्यादा product consume नहीं होता है. And for concealer I just take few dots wherever required, like under eye में brighten up करना है तो, या फिर on the spots. So that's it. Tip 3, tools that work for you. So initially what I thought was कि I need 10 different brushes to achieve a good makeup look, but honestly ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. You just need a beauty blender and few brushes, like 4-5 brushes are enough. So what I do is I use only these 5 brushes. One is for foundation, so this is being used only if I'm using a foundation जो कि अगर स्किन टिंट यूज़ कर रही हो तब भी मैं यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. देन आई हैव अ ब्लश ब्रश, सो अगर मेकअप नहीं भी वेयर कर रहे हो और सिर्फ ब्लश अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो उस केस में भी ये काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड करने में हेल्प करता है. देन दिस इज अ आई शेडो ब्रश, सो मेरे पास सिर्फ ये एक आई शेडो ब्रश है जिससे मैं सारे मेकअप लुक्स क्रिएट कर लेती हूँ. लाइक वट एवर आई लुक आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट, आई डू इट विद दिस वन. एंड वन कंसीलर ब्रश जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. लाइक दीज डेज वी डोंट यूज टू मेनी फाउंडेशंस, लाइक फाउंडेशन यूज करते ही नहीं है हम, सो वी गो फॉर दिस कंसीलर ब्रश. लाइक सिर्फ कंसीलर अप्लाई किया एंड ब्लश अप्लाई किया एंड वी आर गुड टू गो. सो उस केस में ये काम आ जाता है. एंड this is not for everyone, like I love doing contouring, so उस केस में इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है. otherwise like if you are not into contouring you can just skip this one and these 4 are enough. and one beauty blender I can show. I have this beauty blender, ये एक beauty blender enough है and ये मैंने random DIY से purchase किया हुआ है. this is good one, चल जाता है मेरा काम because I use this and उसके बाद लास्ट में इससे डैप कर लेती हूँ, जो excess product है वो निकल जाता है. so this is a good deal I can say. if you want the links मैं link description box में add कर दूंगी, आप जाके check कर लेना इन brushes का. Tip 4, brows and lashes frames the face. Brows and lashes are real MVPs, so even if I'm not wearing any makeup, I make sure to do my brows and curl my lashes because it instantly lifts the face and make your look fresh. Instead of heavy filling, go for brow pens or gels that mimic hair strokes. And you are good to go. You can clearly see the difference in both the eyes, like right eye and brow are looking really nice. Even my face, entire face like अच्छा सा look आ रहा है, but on my left side something is missing. Even my eyes are looking droopy, so you can clearly see here it is a real game changer. And even without makeup it changes the game amazingly. 5, embrace the real skin texture. Filters are everywhere, but our real skin has pores, has lines, has texture. So it's normal. Just take a closer look of my skin and you can clearly see some black spots, some lines. So it is absolutely normal. And I like embracing minimal edits. Makeup should look like skin, not like a mask. Bonus tip, I used to get all the viral products just because they were trending, but not anymore. Now I check reviews, I check the ingredient, I check my vanity whether I need it or not. We just need a multi-purpose palette, एक base product और एक अच्छा blush जो आपको पसंद हो, and you're all set. So those were my real and honest tips. No perfection, just a practical advice from one beginner to another beginner. I'm still learning and these tips have helped me a lot, like how I look or how I feel toward makeup. So if any of the tip has helped you, or if you know any other tip which I have missed out, you can share it with me in the comment section. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसको लाइक कर देना. Don't forget to share it with your skincare girlies or makeup girlies who love to do makeup, and also share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.